YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up a hobby box of 2021 high number Heritage. Me and my brother actually opened a box of this stuff and did not get anything great, so wanted to open one on the channel. Got this online from Cards Infinity, where I like to get my hobby boxes. Online anyway. So let's see what we get. I think there's 24 packs in this. Yeah, 24 packs. And looks like we got a box topper Gary Sanchez poster. That's pretty cool. Just a little mini poster. Okay. Be cool if I could get a hot box. Always like to get hot boxes of a high number if I can. Very tough, like they're one per case though. So there's the pack odds. We'll know pretty quick if we have a hot box, as you'll have like a purple chrome card. Okay, so we got Daz Cameron, Domingo Germán, Randy Arozarena, Garrett Cooper, Calvin Biggio, Russell Iglesias, JT Brubaker rookie, Blake Snell, Vamiel Machine. So not a hot box. All right. Looking for get one hit per box. So we're looking for a autograph, of course, rather than a relic, but usually you get a relic. Jonathan Aruz, German Mercedes rookie, Jared Walsh, IKF, Charlie Morton, Paul DeJong, Salvador Perez, Mike Minor, Jake Fraley. I will say the card quality on these is definitely better than the first, the low number series. And also trying to look for like French text and like action images and stuff like that. I always like high number because you get a lot of rookie cards. So Patrick Weigel, like the first, the low number series, very tough to get rookie cards. Eddie Alvarez, Alex Kirilloff rookie, Avancio Garcia, Lewis Brinson, Xander Bogaerts, Brendan Rodgers, James McCann, Steven Duggar. We got Buster Posey, Mark Mathias, Nick Senzel, Matthew Boyd, Willie Adams. Thought that might be action image, it's not. Braylon Marquez, rookie, Chadwick Trump, Mickey Money, Andre Scrub. Okay, so Lewis Brinson is actually a short print, and it's the number, when the cards are numbered over 700, that's how you know you have a short print. So this Lewis Brinson is actually short prints number 708. It's got Yusei Kikuchi, Josh Bell, Colin Moran, Albert Alzolay, Nick Anderson, Trey Mancini, Taylor Trammell rookie, Chicken Tendies, and Perdomo. Taylor Rogers, Sean Murphy, Francisco Mejia, Cole Tucker, nice hairdo, dude. Travis D'Arnaud, Jorge Lopez, Nolan Arenado, Yalmer Sanchez, Jock Peterson. So Nick Anderson is a short print. Okay. There's the Nick Anderson card. Tony Gonsolin, Steven Strasburg, Gavin Lux, Seth Romero, Sergio Alcantara. Now that looks like an action image. No, it is a short print though, number 721. That looks very much like an action image type card. Isaac Paredes, Jazz Chisholm. That's a decent rookie. Carlos Hernandez and Jake Rogers. Jazz had a pretty good year. Garrett Whitlock. Ooh, got one of those Chrome cards. Jordan Luplow. Hirokazu Saramura. Carlos Correa. Jameson Talon. Adam Eaton. Colton Wong. DJ Stewart. Hopefully we got a rookie. Somebody on the Phillies. Oh, it looks like Mickey yeah, Mickey Moniak. A rookie on Chrome card. That's out of 372. 122 out of 372. So I think it's a little bit off center though, but still, I want to sleeve that one. That's sweet if you hit a numbered card and it's a rookie. He was a #1 pick, so who knows? Maybe he'll, start doing some good in the big leagues. Oh, I'll put all those cards on my short print stack. Okay. Santiago Espinal, Cody Hoorer, Brent Honeywell, Ashton Godot. Now that looks like an action image. No, it's not. Albert Pujols, Michael Lorenzen, Trevor Larnach rookie, Daniel Bard, Eric Fede. Jordan Montgomery, Luis Patino, Chad Pinder, Andres Jimenez, something here, rookie performer, Sixto Sanchez. Those are nice. We'll insert card. Mike Moustakas, Robbie Grossman, Adonis Medina, Luis Basabe. Alright, so none of those were short prints, I could tell. Brian Garcia, Ahmed Rosario, Ledmus Diaz, Kyle Cody, rookie. Looks like Mookie Betts and Cody Bellinger celebrating World Series. Yep. Julian Merriweather, Miles Mikolas, Eddie Rosario, Ryan Presley. Alright. Moving on. Aristides Aquino. What did he end up doing? Man. 2020, he did not play very much apparently. Hit 170. He did hit 15 home runs that first year, and it seemed like he did it really quickly. But he didn't do much after that. DJ Peters, rookie. Now Ranger. Josh James and Gene Tennis 1972 World Series insert. Christian Stewart, Ryan Weathers, Aroldis Chapman, Andy Young, Adrian Hauser. And Christian Stewart is a short print. Number 703. We're still looking for our hit out of this box. Hoping for an autograph. Daniel Vogelbach. What did he do in Milwaukee? He hit 4 home runs. He actually hit for a decent average. Didn't play very much. Dean Kramer, James Caprillion, Zach Davies, Jahmai Jones, rookie. Trevor Story, Jose Arena, Zach McKinstry, and Jordan Weems. And Jahmai Jones, rookie card is actually short print, number 702. Have something there. Austin Noah, Alex Young, Alejandro Kirk, rookie. Seth Elledge, and backwards card. Maybe we got an auto. Anthony Rendon, Shirt and Apostle, rookie. Chris Davis. Jonathan India, rookie. That's pretty cool. Let's see what this is. The Angels. Anthony Rendon, for some reason, is backwards. Oh, it's action image. That's a weird card to have an action image of. So, not a big name, I don't think. Maybe he has a bigger following than I know. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve this Jonathan India. But, I mean, that doesn't count as your hit. That's just a short print. So we still could get an auto. Alright, so we have Travis Blankenhorn, Tucker Barnhart, Keegan Thompson, Jonathan Aruse. Oh, ooh, that's nice. Red ink. 38 out of 72, Devin Williams. That's sweet. I don't think I've ever pulled a red ink on the channel. He actually won Rookie of the Year in 2020 or 21. Or not 21. It must have been 2020. That's awesome. Red ink. On-card auto. Hand-numbered. Luis Gonzalez, Trevor Rogers, Gary Sanchez, and Greg Holland. So that's cool. And then I go and drop. It didn't drop it, just set it down instead of putting it in a sleeve. There we go. That's big for Brewers fans. Yeah, a 0.33 ERA in 2020. Crazy. So that's pretty sweet. That's a nice little hit. Very tough to pull red ink autos, obviously. Alright. Well, this is a good box. We got a numbered red chrome card, an action image, and an auto, and a Jake Cronenworth rookie. Pavin Smith, Tanner Rourke, Philip Irvin, Kyle Isbell, Hunter Renfroe. Oh, my camera going that way. Jared Oliva, Max Stassi, Mike Zunino. So hopefully you guys saw that auto. I'm gonna sleeve this Cronenworth. I don't think a lot of people are big on Jake Cronenworth, but I've had him on my fantasy team the last 2 years and he's been awesome. So I think he's good. So when I get excited when I get Jake Cronenworth rookies. Okay, so we got Jackie Bradley Jr. That looks like an action image. No, it's not. Lurie Garcia, Nick Gordon rookie, Yu Chang, Victor Caratini, Oviedo rookie, Kyle Garlett, Zuber rookie, Nick Maton. Lots of rookies in that pack. Victor Caratini is a short print. Mike Ford, Matt Carpenter, Steven Matz, Victor Gonzalez, rookie. Jose Marmolejos, Francisco Lindor, not a action image or anything. Michael Fulmer, Garrett Crochet, Edwin Diaz. Ryan McKenna, Jose Iglesias, Joe Musgrove. He no-hit the Rangers this last year. Dane Dunning, rookie. JoJo Romero, Austin Barnes, Tyler Wade, Andrew Haney, Carlos Martinez. I don't think there was anything special in there. Alright, this pack we got Amir Garrett, Jose Devers rookie, Yu Darvish, Eric Hosmer, Jonathan Stever, Kyle Wright, Jonathan Davis, Rafael Devers, and Akil Baddoo rookie. Will Akil Baddoo have another good year in 2022? We'll have to see. He's like one of the surprise rookies, I thought. Jonah Heim rookie, Nico Goodrum, Chris Bryant, Sam Hilliard, Carlos Santana, Kohei Arihara, Mitch Haniger, Hunter Harvey, Andrew Vaughn. Off cut, unfortunately. Not centered well. That's what I mean by that. Carlos Santana is a short print. Number 715. So we got 3 packs left. Brent Rooker, rookie. Got something blue. Marcus Stroman, Manny Machado, Jorge Ona. Oh, Freddie Freeman MVP card. Insert. Shane McClanahan, rookie. Loaizaga, Tex Vogt, Luis Urias. Johan Ramirez, Hassan Kim, Chris Davis, and now and then back-to-back times 4, Eloy Jimenez. 4 home runs in a row, I guess. Nico Horner, Wade Miley. Ah, Jared Kelenic rookie, nice. Roberto Perez and a Luke Raley. So that actually looks nicely centered. Too bad that red, that Moniak wasn't a Jared Kelenic, but it's okay. See, definitely, this one's definitely off-centered compared to that one. So that's a cool. That's actually a really nice rookie card. I think he's gonna. I think he didn't do very good. He got off to a terrible start, but I think he is a very good prospect. Nico Horner, he got his bumps out of the way last year. This is a short print 707, and last pack, do some LPM last pack magic. Braxton Garrett, Travis Blankenhorn, Tucker Barnhart, Keegan Thompson. Oh, cool Roberto Clemente insert. Ronaldo Lopez, Josh Palacios, Lorenzo Cain, and Willie Castro. And, okay, that was it. So this box is pretty good. We got a Gary Sanchez box topper. We got Nico Horner, short print. This Jared Kelenic, rookie, nicely centered and everything. Mickey Moniak out of 372, red chrome card. Carlos Santana, man, this thing. Victor Caratini and Jake Cronenworth rookie. This red ink, I should put this at the end there. Jonathan India rookie, Anthony Rendon action image, Jahmai Jones short print, Christian Stewart, these are all short prints here. And the Devin Williams red ink, hand numbered 38 out of 72. Oh, that's his jersey number. I just now noticed that. Really cool. Huh, that's pretty sweet. Devin Williams jersey number, red ink auto. Awesome. All right, stay tuned for more videos.